Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about how to develop JavaFX application using IntelliJ IDEA. So IntelliJ IDEA is one of the famous IDE which has been nowadays pretty much used by so many developers. Like Eclipse, we used to have development using for Java. Similarly, IntelliJ IDEA nowadays has become popular for developing Java-based applications. Now, when I come to the IntelliJ IDEA, we have two kind of licenses available. One is community edition, and another one is a ultimate edition. Where ultimate edition is a licensed one, where you have to purchase it from IntelliJ. Now, when it comes to the community edition, one of the biggest advantage of using community edition is you can develop standalone applications and the basic Java applications you can develop in using the IntelliJ IDEA community edition version. Okay, now here in this tutorial, we are going to use IntelliJ IDEA community edition for developing our JavaFX application. Okay, now how to create JavaFX project in IntelliJ? You have to go to File, New, Project, and from the available options choose JavaFX. So here we have to provide a name for our application. So I will provide JavaFX hyphen demo. Okay, so remaining other things are normal things, like we are going to use language as Java, build system is going to be Maven, and group. Okay, let me rename this group also. Let me keep it as Tech. So group is nothing but the location where you are going to upload our deployment jar. Okay, let's click on next. So in the next screen, you will be available with a list of options. So these are all third-party libraries that are available for supporting advanced features in JavaFX, which we are not going to discuss it now since it is a new, since it is a starting phase only. So we'll be going for basics. So as of now, we are not going to select any of this, and let's directly go on creating the our first project in IntelliJ. Okay, good. Now, when you create in JavaFX project in IntelliJ, what it will do is it will create some basic setup for you. Okay, so basic setup in the means, if you go to the src main Java, you can see one demo application file that is created. So this is going to be your main class where you will have the information about the starting loading page. Okay, so earlier in our day one session, we have discussed how to create a JavaFX application, how to run the application. Okay, when you run the application, the first thing that the compiler will come and execute is the main class. So here in our case, that will be a hello application. And this hello application is going to call one class called one method called start method. Inside that start method, you will be providing the information like what is the first page you are going to display in the UI. When you run the application, this application is a JavaFX application which is going to give you one output in the format of graphical user interface, right? So that graphical user interface, we have to provide what kind of controls you are going to show. That will be available in the format of fxml file in the JavaFX application. Where is that fxml file available? Under your resources folder. Inside our resources folder, if you see, I have a file which is created automatically by the IntelliJ. This one is not created by me. When I create the project, by default IntelliJ has created some basic setup and basic files that are needed for our JavaFX to run. In one of them is your main class. So where the main class, it will provide what kind of file you are going to deploy, what kind of screen is going to be displayed when the user run this application. Okay, now let us see what is there. Now previously when I use Eclipse, I used to have a separate application installed. What is that separate application? Scene Builder. So what is the use of Scene Builder? Scene Builder uses it for creating graphical user interface. Okay, so if you want to create a graphical interface, then you have to use the tool called Scene Builder. Now one of the advantage of using IntelliJ is you don't need to install any separate Scene Builder. It will come up with the internal plugin. Okay, there is internal plugin support available. Now how it will be supported, I will show you. Now let me double click on it. So when I double click on this hello view.xml, what it will do, it will open in another editor the file. Now if you see there is nothing. There is a simple XML file which is providing the information about what is this view. Okay, now how will I know this view? How will I see the view? So how will I see is there is one option called Scene Builder. Okay, when I open the scene builder, it will take some time to load. It will provide you the whatever you have the scene builder tool, right? The same thing will be available here. Okay, so see here. Here you can directly do whatever you want. Here you can design. Okay, so this is the advantage of using IntelliJ over Eclipse. Okay, yeah, very good. There is nothing new. Everything whatever we learned in the day one session, everything will be same. Everything is FXML loader will be loading the view and will be showing the view in the scene, and that the scene will be attached to the stage, and when you run the application you will show the stage. Okay, now let us run our application. Okay, so let me right click, run hello world dot main. Okay, good. See how easy it is developing application using IntelliJ. You don't need to have a separate scene builder tool to be installed in your machine to create user interface and all. You don't need to write basic classes for loading the view and all. Okay, when I click on hello view, it will provide me the update me the label. Okay, so that's it guys, thanks for watching. So in the coming session we'll see the scene builder and what are all available in the what are you are going to do, what is scene builder, how it is organized, what and all controls, what is the panels available. So we will discuss in detail and all. So if you are first time visiting the channel, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. That's it from my side. Thank you.